Welcome back to Craft Wilder DIY. Today, we are witnessing something truly legendary. We're deep diving into a build by the master himself, Murat Tuncer, as he attempts his most ambitious project yet. He's taking a standard, cold metal van and turning it into a mobile mansion. This isn't just a conversion, it's a complete architectural reimagining of what a home on wheels can be. The journey begins with a total strip down. Every bolt, every panel, and every piece of old insulation is removed. You have to destroy the old to build the extraordinary. Now, let's look at the nerve-wracking part, cutting into the chassis. Murat approaches the steel body with the precision of a surgeon. One wrong move here could compromise the entire structure. Think about it. How hard can it be to install a window? Well, it's far more complex than that IKEA shelf you've been putting off. Murat isn't just cutting holes, he's crafting custom wooden frames as sturdy as a fortress to ensure a perfect, weather-tight seal. Then he shifts his focus to the roof. He's adding a high-tech ventilation system. Think of this as the van's lungs. It's not just about aesthetics, it's about survival. Fresh air is non-negotiable when your entire world is a rolling metal box. But let's be real, what's a luxury camper van without the power to brew your morning espresso in the middle of nowhere? Murat is thinking ahead. He's rigging up a massive solar panel array on the roof. This ensures the lights stay on, the fridge stays cold, and the coffee keeps brewing even when modern civilization is nothing but a distant memory in your rearview mirror. Now we look at the invisible work. Murat layers the walls and ceiling with premium, high-quality insulation. He's creating a cozy cocoon that keeps the interior silent and temperate, whether you're parked in the scorching Sahara or the freezing Arctic. Once the van is snug, it's time to get wired. Murat runs a complex electrical grid through the entire frame. He's ensuring there is enough juice for every light, every switch, and every all-important USB charger, essential for documenting your van life adventures from the most remote corners of the globe. This is where Murat's true mastery begins to shine. He starts constructing the wooden framework that will support the entire interior. His skills are surgical. He cuts and fits these panels with incredible accuracy. If a surgeon were obsessed with rustic decor, this is what it would look like. He pre-drills every hole for lights and switches, ensuring the final result is as polished as a five-star hotel, but with the freedom of the open road. Now, let's talk about the floor. Most people go for vinyl, but not Murat. He's laying down insulation, plywood, and then, wait for it, parquet flooring. Yes, parquet in a van. Why not bring a touch of ballroom elegance to your home on wheels? It's not just strong and durable, it's stylish enough to host a dance party, even if it has to be a very small one. The entry steps get the same elite treatment, a sleek black frame topped with heavy-duty rubber. These aren't just steps, they are a red carpet invitation into a new nomadic lifestyle. Murat's attention to detail turns awkward spaces into beautiful features. Look at how he crafts custom wooden boxes over the wheel wells. He's saying, I'm a van, but I'm also a home, and homes should be stunning. Imagine furniture that fits like a glove. We're talking kitchen cabinets that hug the walls, a bathroom that fits where you thought only a sink could go, and a bed frame with massive storage drawers underneath that would make any minimalist proud. This project is far more than a mere mechanical assembly. It is a manifest for total independence. It's a master key to a life without boundaries, and a vivid reminder that through the lens of creativity, even a standard utility van can be elevated into something truly legendary. It's the ultimate proof that your surroundings are only limited by your imagination. You see, architecting a mobile sanctuary isn't about simply tossing a mattress in the back and calling it finished. Not even close. It is a sophisticated choreography of technical mastery, aesthetic design, and raw innovation. This is the exact type of high-level challenge that leaves both hobbyists and seasoned professionals in absolute awe. It's that rare wow factor that hits you like the adrenaline rush of a massive power tool sale. And we can't overlook the massive shift towards sustainability and financial liberation that this movement represents. When you factor in the environmental perks and the economic freedom of the van life phenomenon, it feels as though the stars have finally aligned. It's as if the universe itself gave us a sign that living smaller actually allows us to live much, much bigger. We move into the final act. Murat spends hours sanding down every imperfection. In van life, smooth surfaces are the key to a premium feel. If there's a gap, he fills it with the precision of a filmmaker patching a plot hole. Then comes the paint job. A crisp white base coat transforms the van into a blank canvas. But he doesn't stop there. He applies a refined, bone-toned finish that gives the interior a chic, modern feel. It's stylish, it's clean, and it's pure luxury. Let's take a second to appreciate the man behind the magic. Murat Tuncer, hailing from Turkey, isn't just a woodworker, he's a true artist with a deep, soulful connection to nature. When he's not revolutionizing vans, he's building mountain huts from reclaimed pallets or crafting intricate wooden products. His YouTube channel is a treasure trove of inspiration for anyone who believes in blending craftsmanship with the serenity of the outdoors. Murat wraps up the build by installing the essential water pumps, the beating heart of the kitchen and bathroom. After securing the plumbing, he reassembles the painted furniture. In his world, close enough is never an option. The bed is reinstalled, the wooden shower tiles are added for that extra touch of luxury, and the mattress is set. Voila! The van is now a fully equipped mobile sanctuary, ready for a lifetime of adventure. And there you have it, the closing chapter of Murat Tuncer's extraordinary van conversion saga. From the first cut to the final screw, this has been a masterclass in dedication. This project stands as a testament to what happens when craftsmanship meets a passion for the open road. His keen eye for detail has breathed life into this machine, making it a true home. Let this journey inspire you to pick up your tools and chase your own creative vision. Success is found in the details. Make sure to head over and subscribe to Murat Tuncer's YouTube channel to see more of his incredible transformations. You won't regret it. If you enjoyed this breakdown, give us a thumbs up and join the Craft Wilder DIY family by subscribing. We have many more epic builds coming your way. Stay wild, keep your tools sharp, and we'll see you on the next adventure. Peace.